let's get started with today's straight up surprise vlog. By the way, welcome to the Mr. Albert Lopez channel. My name is Albert Lopez. I wasn't gonna vlog today. I'm still editing a vlog for the Chatterbox channel, which is really cool. Stay tuned for that one. Link is in the description below. We hang out in the garden with Suhei. It's really, really neat. Anyways, we're gonna get started. We're doing something hella cool in my daughter's room. And I figured, why not? I'm gonna vlog it. I got all my settings on auto today. I don't know if that's something to be embarrassed about or something to brag about. Hi, Starbees.
Hi.
This is the plan. Welcome to Starbee Studios. She wanted LED strip lights installed. These are gonna look hella sick. They're gonna be hella cool. As I told you before, I love customizing things. I love installing things. I know the goal here is don't let normality be boring. And I don't know how normal it is to install LED lighting in your daughter's room, but the concept still stays the same. We could install these super easy. We could just stick them anywhere. That would be the normal way. So we're netting normality, not be boring, and making a little bit more custom. And this goes with anything. If you're gonna sweep a room, don't let it be boring. Make it fun. You know, turn on some music. You know, put on your favorite t-shirt while you're gonna do it. That's how you make normality not be boring. Let's get started with today's install. Let's do the quick roll call, what we got going on. So this is what was in the box. I'll put an affiliate link to this product. You know how we do it. We'll have it in the description below. So this was the box. I showed you that about 3 times already. This is what came in the box. 2 film rolls of LED strip lights. Now these strip lights have the sticker-like adhesive in the back. So you peel this off and it's a sticker there, and it sticks very well if you clean the walls first. Each strip is 25 feet, so we got 50 feet. It came with a remote control. All these features are different colors and temperatures. It also comes with a converter. This converter actually plugs in to the LED lights, and this is your IR. This is where the remote control communicates with the brains of the light. And you have the power brick. This power brick does have an LED on it, so we're gonna tuck that away so at night when you're trying to sleep, you don't have a green little light just flashing. Super important that you do before you install anything, especially if it's gonna be a little bit of a project. Test it before you install it. I'm gonna try to get some angles so you guys understand what we're working with and kind of give you a perspective. We're gonna grab the power from that corner right there. We're making our way up, and then we're splitting here. This is where we're gonna go 2 directions. One light's gonna go all through the top there, go over the TV, into that corner, all the way around to that corner there. We'll do the same thing, and we're gonna go this way. So I'm gonna go grab some stuff. I think it's gonna be a pretty simple project. Another thing I need is a ladder, so I'm gonna go get the ladder. I'm gonna start on that corner. So I'm using my sanitizing little things here. We're gonna get the clean. Yes, popcorn ceiling, don't trip. I'm still waiting for it to just cycle around and be trending again.
It's already trending again, I think.
It's starting to trend because I've been waiting for it because I don't want to deal with taking it down. I'll say this now and I'll probably say it again later. I want to install the light as high as possible. So we cleaned all the top, and by the time I got to the end part, which was right here, the part where I started is probably dry now and ready to go. So let's move on to installing the hardware. Let's roll. Here's the block. This is gonna go up against the wall. In order to do this, the best thing to do so the sticky thing attaches well is you use one of your alcohol strips and you wipe it down wherever you're going to apply the sticker. We already wiped down the wall, so we're good. Hey, what's up everybody? Future Albert here. As I was editing this video, there was some adjustments that I made on the install. I know I was explaining at this part that, well, I'll just show you. I was gonna wipe down the back of the brain as well as the back of the power strip because I was gonna use double-sided tape. I did start off using double-sided tape, but it just didn't do well. It didn't work well. And even as I was applying it, I didn't really like the way it was just kind of sitting. Could have been cool for a semi-permanent application, but since we want these to be permanent, we did change our mind from the double-sided tape and actually used a couple of nails and a couple of screws. So this is what we did. The actual brain has two little holes there. One on the bottom, which is right next to the black plug. And all I did was run some tiny nails on there. We go down, and here what we did was something a little different. I ran a screw into the wall, wrapped the cable next to it, and then used a tie wrap to just tie in the cable onto the screw. Down here I put another screw. It was a longer screw. It was like maybe a 3-inch screw. Half the screw went into the wall, the other half of the screw stayed sticking out, and then now this power brick just sits on that screw, just chilling there. There's no tie wraps or no nothing, it's just hanging out. And then this one's the one that has the tie wrap. So I hope that clears things up a little bit. I was hoping that the double-sided tape would work. It didn't. I didn't like it from the get-go, but I gave it a shot anyways, just to get the lights installed. We realized it didn't work that same day, but I didn't fix it till the next day. So now that I'm editing the video, I figured I'd come in here and give you some kind of transparency in how we really did install it. Other than that, everything still stayed the same. Okay, back to editing, back to our video. This is probably the most difficult part. After this, it's pretty downhill. It's just kind of getting all the power lines connected. Power is on. So the next step is going to be start installing your lights. So at this point, you unpeel the back sticker and you start sticking. So there it is, folks, and there's the corner. It goes all around like that, lights up the TV a little bit, goes over there, comes back over the curtains, to the closet. That's my favorite part right there.
That looks beautiful.
And cool. And it just so happened that it was exactly 50 feet, which is the 25 and the 25. You measured it well. 2 rows was perfect.
Thanks,
All
Dad.
right. So you're welcome, Pumpkin. So let's go through some colors. Red, green, blue, white,
Ooh, orange.
orange. Has a lot of colorways. Amber, turquoise. That's a pretty one there. And then you could also adjust the intensities of each color. A couple other settings on here. Auto. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for cruising in. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for checking out the Mr. Albert Lopez channel. I wasn't planning on installing these lights today, nowhere at all. It was a spontaneous thing, which is cool. I enjoy that. It's a lot of fun. It worked out. I think I did a good job. And that's a wrap. Check it out. Thanks for checking out the video. Thanks for checking out the channel. Check out my other channels, also located in the description. And that's it. I'm out.